We're about to go inside a La Superior market. Now,
did you do it from the outside?
these are bakeries, obviously. Sourdough bread, which I may have to get some of.
Oh, they got those ones that you like right there.
And then these are like an apple fritter. They're at least the closest thing that I found to them.
Those are like custard. Don't
yeah.
put your fingers so
Paulette
close.
said those are like custard. These are small conchas, which is like a sweet bread. And then here we are over on the donut side. Now, pastries in Mexico tend to be fairly dry, and these at La Superior are no exception to that. Here's some more larger conchas. Yeah, I saw that earlier. I'm going to get a loaf. Sourdough bread has been difficult for me to find, so they have it today. So I'm going to get it. Here's some more bread over here. Not sure what these things are. Some cookies, pastries, and then of course an assortment of chips. And here we are over in the coffee area. Paulette is apparently getting some coffee.
I don't know how to do this.
And then over here they have tamales. Tamales are 27 pesos each, and they list 4 different kinds, but usually there's only 2 or 3. And well, today there's none in there. So La Superior is a chain bakery, and I believe they're throughout Mexico. There are several here in San Luis Potosí alone. And as you saw, they have pretty good variety of pastries. There were some cakes, stuff like that. And like I said in the video, though, their pastries, like pastries in Mexico, tend to be on the dry side compared to what we're used to in the US. But they do offer a good selection of things. We did actually pick up 2 loaves of the sourdough bread. We had some of the sourdough bread today with grilled cheese sandwiches, and it was very good. So I'm excited to have some good sourdough bread. And I would also like to thank you for watching our video and leaving a comment and hopefully subscribing if you like what we're doing. From the 2 travelers in Mexico, thank you.